how to transfer files to SD card or how you can move the files to SD card. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can move your files to SD card and make your internal memory free. For that you have to follow this step. So if you have input your SD card on your device, so go for your file manager here. Under your file manager you have to go for the file option which is on the top right and go and select the one of the file here. Once you have selected one of the file, you have to click on that file or long press on that file and go for the move option here. So under your move option you have to go for the internal share storage. If you see any SD card available here, if you don't see that, you have to again select that, go for the move option and go for the remote option here. So if you want to transfer any photos or videos, here you have to go for the one of the folder here, go for the DCIM that you want, and there are many folder, and so I will go for this and I can see the photos here. If I want to transfer these files that I have downloaded, I can go and go back that I have downloaded. I can go to this download folder and then I can see the downloaded here. So here you have to go for your downloaded here, go back and go for the downloaded option. And so suppose if I want to transfer any files to SD card, what I will do that I will tap and hold that and then I will select the option to move. Then I will, so after you have moved here, you can, if you see the any SD card here, you can go for the SD card and you have to tap on the SD card and you can easily send or transfer the file to your SD card here. So here on my device there is no any SD card. So with the help of this video you can easily transfer the files and videos to your SD card. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.